Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. That means so much to me. So do show some love and support by hitting that subscribe button. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your lips look bigger than what they naturally are. So I do love to make my lips look a little more bigger, especially with a nude lip or when I'm doing certain makeup looks. So yeah, you just need a little simple makeup tricks, guys. You just don't need any sort of like artificial fillers or anything to make the lips look poutier. All you just need is like simple makeup tips and tricks, and you guys can just like make your lips look a lot more poutier. And yeah, in case if you guys want to know how to make your lips look bigger, let's just get into the video. Firstly, I'm going to take the Hoola Benefit Powder Bronzer with the MAC 219 pencil brush. You guys can take any, smaller brush if you want to. So I'm taking this bronzer with the brush and I'm going to apply this right below my lower lip area, starting from the center. And then I'm going to take it to the sides. So what this step helps is that this step helps to create nice shadow below the lip area, and it creates a nice contour line, and that's going to make the lips look poutier and bigger. So that creates a shadow. So I'm doing it slightly below my natural lip area if you observe, and also I took it to the sides. Now I'm doing the same thing on my cupid's bow, starting from the center. That's the cupid's bow, and then I'm gonna take it to the sides as well. If you guys observe here, I'm actually doing it again in my natural shadow area, that is, slightly above my lip line. So in case if you guys want to make your lips look extra poutier, you guys can go a little heavy handed with the contour. You can layer your contour as well, like cream and powder, but this just like looks flattering for my face shape, so I'm doing this what suits me, and I'm blending this out with the blending brush, and I'm not going heavy handed with my blending. So again, I'm applying the contour on the sides of the upper lip as well. If you guys observe here, I'm following my exact natural lip shadow line. I'm not going anywhere too much on top of the natural lip shadow line, because I don't want to make my lips look wider. I want to make it look poutier right in the center, concentrating main in the center, but want to add a little extra shadow into that outer regions as well. And I'm just like blending this all out again with the blending brush. Again, guys, don't put too much pressure when you're blending, just to make it soft, just blend that. Now I'm gonna take this Colourpop BFF3 lip pencil, and I'm gonna outline my lips with this lip pencil, starting right from the cupid's bow, just doing a little arc, that little X thing there at the cupid's bow, and then I'm gonna line my lips with that. So always remember, guys, when you want to make your lips look bigger, lip liner is a must. Literally, it's a must. So you cannot skip the lip liner, because that's a game changer when you want to make your lips look bigger. And I'm not also overdrawing my lips too much. Actually, I'm not overdrawing my lips, because that doesn't look flattering on for my face shape. But if you want to make them extra poutier, you can also overdraw your lips as well. So also, guys, especially be careful when you're overdrawing onto these sides. Mainly overdraw in the centers, but always follow your natural lip line when you're going into that sides, okay? Because you don't want to make your lips look wider, and you don't want to bring it too much front. That doesn't look flattering. And I'm also filling in that corners of the lip area, so it gives a little definition. I'm just doing that on the top and the bottom part of the lip area. Now what I'm just doing is that I'm actually filling in that cupid's bow area slightly with that lip pencil right in the top, not completely, just to add a little that depth. Now I'm going to take the Colourpop lippie sticks, that's in the shade Cookie, and I'm going to apply this right in the bottom part of the lip first. And if you guys observe, I'm not taking it all the way onto that lip pencil, so I'm just applying it in the area where I don't have that lip pencil, and I'm gonna slowly blend that out into the lip pencil as well, and I'm gonna make it look all well blended out. So just don't worry if the lip liner is obvious now, but it's not gonna look like that later on. So I'm just applying that lipstick until I get the desired intensity. You guys can use any lipstick here, okay? You can use a liquid lipstick or a cream lipstick, whatever formula that you want. I like the Colourpop ones. And now I'm gonna take the lip pencil again, and I'm just adding little of that definition right in that outer again, just adding extra definition. So yeah, it's a game changer. Just do a lip pencil after that. Now I'm gonna take the iconic London lip gloss, and I'm just applying that on the center part of the lip. If you're not a fan of lip gloss, you can skip it, but I just want to add that extra just to the look, so I'm just doing it. But in case if you don't want, you can leave the look like that. So I'm applying, mainly concentrating it only on the center part of the lip, not taking it outerwards, just mainly on the center and dragging slightly to the outer, but not to the corners if you observe. So yeah, this is how I make my lips look bigger, and I actually like it, like especially with a nude lip. I love making my lips look a little more plumpier with a nude lip. So my face shape is like a lot more smaller, and I feel that this is like the appropriate, that plumpiness for my face shape. So you guys can actually do it according to your face shape, guys. In case if you want a little more bigger lips, you can overline a bit more. I don't do too much of overlining because I have like a smaller face, and this is like apt for my face. But if you want a little more plumpiness, you can overline a bit more, or you can even do extra bit of contouring as well, like in depth, even extra bit of contouring. Or you can also do a cream contour, and on top of that you can do the powder contour as well to get that extra extra depth. So I actually like it this way. This is so appropriate for my face shape. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys will like this video. In case if you do so, then please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment down below, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. That means so much to me. So do show some love and support by hitting that subscribe button. And also, guys, do follow me on my Instagram as well. I do put like makeup and beauty content on my IGTV as well, so do follow me on my Instagram. I'll be leaving the direct link to my Instagram account in the description box below. So we'll be seeing you soon with another video, guys. Till then, have a great day. Bye.